Hello folks, Waz here, B&B Audio Concepts, and today we have a little Toyota Yaris. Original radio had failed after 17 years. Customer wanted an entry-level Apple CarPlay. We started talking and they thought, you know what, car's been good for 17 years, so let's have a wireless Apple CarPlay. So we fitted the KENWOOD 7722, and as you can see, it looks pretty neat. Steering wheel controls are now working, fascia panel fitted. This is a premium product, so customer was thinking of a non-premium sort of add-on, but warranty is generally 3 months, whereas here we have a 3-year warranty. So like usual, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless, Bluetooth, DAB, all working. Something like this interests you, give us a ring. We're part of KENWOOD's Pro scheme, and we're based in Cardiff, B&B Audio Concepts. Our telephone number is 02920 707 275. Hopefully hear from you soon. Thank you.